Just a vlog, bro.
Just doing it.
Just do it. Like, it's just something else to do, and plus, like, it gives you more content to work with, you know.
It's all about the content.
Cause like before the vlogging, I was like, the only time I will ever have like any content is if I would do like a collaboration or a photo shoot for like new gear,
Yeah.
or if I would do like some artwork. And then like lately, I've been trying to like produce more work as far as like artwork, but now I'm like, no, let me get into vlogging, let me try to do something else. So like I'm always doing something.
I'm like, yo, I'm gonna keep these swords even after this video. I know I'm gonna collab with them.
They're not yours?
Huh?
They're not yours?
No, I mean I bought them, but
Okay.
like instead of like having to resell them or like get rid
Oh,
of
you gonna
them,
keep them
I'm gonna keep them
for other photo shoots and stuff? Yeah.
Good props.
Exactly.
Dude, people love swords, man.
I know. I noticed it a lot now. Like,
They love
like,
Japanese
yo,
shit.
everybody
Like,
on swords now? What's
yeah.
up?
Yeah, it's crazy because like a lot of the times, my posts that get the most likes have to do with like swords or like one of my models wearing a mask.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, I see the trend here.
What advice can you give JQ about the social media since his game is kind of like,
Dude,
aside from consistency?
besides from consistency, like, gotta produce. I know it's like, it's cliche to say, but you really do gotta produce like good ass content.
But also
Like-
have like your own style, right?
Own style too, yeah. Like, it doesn't, like, sometimes it's cool to like do things that other people are doing too if it works. Like, as of lately, I started putting like other brand stuff into my work. Like, my art pieces, I'll put like Nike stuff or Adidas, because people like to see that. Or like I did like a piece like on Vans, like a pair of Vans shoes, and like that blew
I
up.
remember that.
Remember, it blew up though.
Yeah.
Remember, like everybody was just commenting on it. It had like 600 comments. I was like, bro, like really?
Everybody was commenting, and then I remember I hit you up saying like, "Yo, you need to get this on the shoe." ASAP.
But yeah, bro, like everyone was like going crazy. It's like, do I really need to start making shoes? I feel like if I did another thing of shoes, it'll probably blow up again.
Exactly.
But it's
I
like,
thought I was just like, dude, if I rock these,
Uh-huh.
cause look, I got Vans on right now.
I got Vans on right now
Those-
too, bro. I got Vans on.
Yeah, if I rock those out there, everybody's gonna be like, "Yo, where'd you get that?" Because everybody loves having like their own like their own look.
Mhm.
Like, because people like that low key clothing, you know?
Yeah.
They can come out and say, people are gonna ask them, "Yo, where'd you get that?" You know?
Exclusive.
Yeah, exclusive.
Exclusive
stuff.
stuff, yeah.
So you're gonna be like, "Oh, don't worry about it." You know, you feel your own person that way. And then when you come out with that, so that's why people were like, I saw them reposting your stuff, and I was
Mhm.
like, yo, like, he's really, you don't have them on there. Oh, right here, look, yeah.
There you go.
He photoshopped that.
Oh, here it
I
is.
would rock these.
And then, like, go back, and then you can see the other one. They're like low tops.
Definitely wear these.
It'd be a cool, like, way to go to Japan and, like, or China and just get,
Mhm.
like, find, like, little spots right there where you can buy their clothing.
Yeah.
And then, because everything from China right now is just like, in Japan, all the clothing from out there is like really selling out here. Especially like the stuff that you do, like having all that. Dude, that'd be crazy.
Dude, like the Japanese stuff is like live right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's everywhere.
Samurai Jack, Afro.
Yeah. Afro
man.
Samurai.
Yeah, I've been watching a lot of anime lately.
I need another anime to watch. Like, I haven't been watching
Soul
anything. No, I've seen it years ago though.
It's actually really good.
Soul Eater. I heard of it.
The only thing I've been watching right now is Attack on Titan and JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
Okay.
Yeah.
You should do like a little, like something like that. Put like a totem mask on Attack on Titan.
Oh, really? You think so?
Ooh.
Dude, that makes sense.
People would be like, yo,
Like, whoa. Yeah, I might do that. Do a piece like
add a
that.
little, yeah, like Tokyo Ghoul, like how I remember you had Tokyo Ghoul.
Also, Dragon
Yeah.
Ball Z characters. I don't know if you've done that already.
No, I haven't done that yet. I see a lot of people do it, so I was like, I don't want to hop on the bandwagon, but
Yeah, Supreme.
It's still
but no, like I can still do it. Yeah.
I understand the whole bandwagoning thing, but
Yeah.
sometimes it'll benefit you in a way because there's people
Sometimes it's good to ride the wave. Yeah.
Exactly.
Like when I did with the Vans shoes, like even though I was like, it's Vans, whatever, but I still put like my own spin to it.
Exactly.
So it was like still kind of like my own thing.
Yeah.
So.
That's what I'm saying. Like you gotta hit all those. Thing I've been to was like Dragon Ball Z.
That was the only anime you were into?
And I grew up with Full Metal Alchemist.
Okay, yeah, same here.
So like I kind of was already in there, but he kind of got me deep into it. You know, so I started.
You gotta watch Death Note.
Death Note is good.
Death Note, actually.
You did?
I did. I'd seen it all.
Don't watch the live action.
I heard.
I saw the live action and then I saw the anime.
No, the live action was trash though. Oh, well, which one? The American one?
Oh, I saw the American one.
The Netflix one, it was so bad.
There's another one?
Yeah, they have the Japanese one.
Oh yeah, I never heard this one either.
They have like 3 of them. So when you watched the anime after you watched the movie, like what'd you think?
Okay, since I saw the movie first, I was just like, oh, this movie was pretty good. Then I saw the anime, I'm like, oh, fuck this movie.
Hour and a half drive.
It was a long drive, huh?
The whole time.
That was a cool drive though.
Talking about anime.
Yeah, dude, anime, fucking dope ass movies and stuff.
Are you gonna end up doing the one with the pill?
What do you mean?
Oh, like.
Oh yeah, yeah, I'm gonna do that for sure.
Sick.
Spoilers.
Oh.
No, you're good. You're good, bro. What pill? The red pill.
The red pill. Or the blue pill.
Or the blue pill.
Hey, you should throw that on there, huh?
Red pill, blue pill.
Either red pill or the blue pill.
Oh, thanks, bro.
Yeah.
What's that?
The other location right there.
Fire hydrant. See it.
We're on our way.
Just waiting, dude. How far away is he?
On the other spot here, how far? Shouldn't be that far from this, dude. My eyes are getting like hot.
Yeah, dude.
Sun.
I'm not trying to move.
That clean though.
You having fun there, man?
Wait, what kind of video we're making again?
Music video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The samurai sword?
My neighbors are gonna be like, yo, what the heck they doing?
Yeah, bro.
It's like they got swords over here, hello?
Gonna call the police.
Yo.
Maybe. Slowing down. Up. Nope. Hey. You got a vape?
No.
Dang, dude.
Wait, hold on. Is that us?
Nah, nothing's
No.
coming out. Dang. That them?
Yeah, ready? Send me a location. Let's go. Alright.
Sweet, sweet.
Hey, doing?
What's up, dude?
Chris.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Renny.
How you doing, Reny? What's up, bro? Reny.
He's gonna be helping me with the behind the
Let's
scenes.
get it, bro, because I don't know this place.
Picking up people right now, so you're gonna be able to come with me right now. So wait for me in there. I'm coming. I have a white Nissan right now. It's a truck. I mean, it's a.
Okay, me and my boyfriend are here in the car, so we just like parked the car here.
Oh wait, no.
I have my own.
Oh, yeah.
I have my own type of.
Like, is Joe not good enough for you or what?
I don't know what you use. What you use? Hey, wait, where you guys from?
Me? Ohio.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Bro, this fucking phone is tripping.
Turn it off.
Put that. You got the address?
What?
Put it, cause
I got up because I thought we were good.
I don't know how to get to
You
you.
got lost?
Alright, so right now one little thing, bro. I'm gonna park like this, and you guys gonna have to get out through this door because we got a camera in front.
Okay. Got you.
And if you're recording this, is a mission we're doing. What's you guys' name?
Rice Krispie.
Rice Krispie?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Like the Rice Krispie shit?
His name is Chris Rice, if you turn it around.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? That's pretty dope. It's right here. We got rice, crispy rice.
What's his name?
It's all, or you can just call me Totem,
Huh?
dude.
JQ.
You can just call me Totem or
Hey,
Chris.
I gotta remember. Crispy rice over here and GQ on the camera. I'm about to get this shit lit. Shout out to the Sodo Faye, Sodo J.
Renny,
is with us right here.
I'm about to forget your name, man.
Nah, we're about to have a good time. It's a mission that we're doing. Getting in the house. The song is called One Shot, Un Trago.
Hey.
So we're here, about to have fun. Welcome. Okay, so you see the camera over there?
Yeah, I see it.
That's what we're avoiding. And I don't want to cover because that's gonna be suspicious too.
Yeah.
This is a good mission, bro. I swear. Hey, I have a strawberry. Anything you guys want in there, you guys are free access.
Thanks,
to
man.
that. So
Appreciate it.
So, yeah. So if you want to guys keep anything on private, I have a room just for that. So
Okay.
people don't come and get that because there's always one that want to get a free camera. So we good.
It's all good, man.
Let's get
Sweet,
it.
sweet.
I'm gonna show you guys how to get in.
Thanks. Nice.
Yes. I don't know what happened to the pool, but there's some shit.
They didn't have a pool guy?
Huh?
They didn't have a pool guy?
Yeah, not.
It's broken too.
Damn.
Yeah.
Give him a half a star.
Then we go over here. And that's my guy over here, one of my friends. We got Jay in the house. One of my friends. If you want to help me to carry shit,
Yeah,
okay.
I just want to say
Thank you. So yeah, this is the house, guys. We're gonna do it today. More than welcome together.
Nice, nice.
This is birthday too at the same time.
Yo, yo, what's up?
How you doing? How you doing?
Good, man. You?
Fucking great.
What's your name?
Jay.
Jay?
Yes, sir.
Chris.
Nice to meet you.
You too, bro.
If you guys need
Yo.
Okay,
You hungry, man?
That's low key.
Low key, right?
Yo,
Can you help me out with the stuff, bro?
he just told me I couldn't go out there.
Yeah.
Oh, no, wait. I'll be on the side where you guys were chilling.
What?
For the side, for the house, where you can walk.
Oh, just like
Oh yeah, we can go through that. Let's see. We're gonna be the only ones who are gonna have access for this.
Okay, cool.
So nothing get lost, you know. I trust everybody in here. So thank you.
Hey, how you going?
All the rooms are gonna be
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
My friend Amy, she's getting ready. She's gonna be one of the characters we're gonna play today.
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
Right here, you guys wanna see the little house. It's super deep, but it's pretty dope. We're gonna have like all this hall is gonna be. We're gonna have condos on the floor. And then we're gonna put the mats and people on the side.
Shit.
The director's
Okay.
gonna be doing that. We're gonna have like 50, 100 candles that we're gonna have to light up all this line. And we're gonna be walking over here with a bottle. You guys need to wash clothes, which I don't think so. But yeah, this is gonna be the room that we're gonna use for the main scene, which is gonna be like.
Oh, nice.
All this is gonna be. Yeah, it's a bathroom there. You guys see that one busy. You guys are allowed to come. Pretty much that's kind of like what we got. Cool. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, dude.
It'll be good.
Fuck yeah.
Crispy rice on the camera. Cool.
There you go.
What's it? JQ. Bro, I'm by with names. Solo J.
He knows me for a long
And
time.
Yeah?
Jay here.
You forgot your name already?
Nah, that's talking right now. And he's his birthday, like, at the same time. You know,
Nice.
So,
Dope, dope.
we're gonna have a party today too, so.
That's where the cake, saw the cake.
Too, let me know. Huh?
That's why I saw the cake.
Yeah.
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 Didn't know if it was a surprise or not. It's your birthday too?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, bro.
I mean, then third, and then July.
We're about to celebrate shit too. How? You got the bottles on? Where the bottles at?
I put it right there.
In there?
Yeah, we gotta keep this one here.
Dude, it's hella bright. Just lit up this whole house. It just lit up the whole house, man.
You can't do green.
No, what color you gonna do? Red, of course. I should have brought my glow in the dark ones. I have glow in the dark ones.
Different person.
Yeah, I'm like, yo.
Yo.
It's heavy, homie. I feel like a pit bull with this.
What's
Hey.
I'm here.
gonna send somebody to pick you guys up, and then it's gonna be a black Challenger. So yeah, just wait for me in there. Once you guys are together, I'm gonna send somebody to pick you guys up.
Hey.
I don't know. I feel your friend's not coming, to be honest.
Yeah, I agree.
Fuck.
So, yeah, I know. What do you want me to do?
I mean, what can I ask you to do? We don't have a backup.
I mean,
Or whatever dance.
I'm gonna show you that.
Oh, okay, let's see.
You wanna give her a sword?
Yeah, we'll give her some.
Actually, I have an idea. I'm gonna show you a picture that I never posted.
Okay.
I don't really know how to take photos.
Really?
Yeah.
What kind of model are you? No, just kidding.
I'm learning
It's a learning
French.
process.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So this is your first?
Yeah.
Really? Nice. That's all good.
We gotta start somewhere. Huh?
You seen America's Next Top Model? Look, there you go. You can.
For sure in the weekend. For sure. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, bro.
Hi.
Roll on.
I don't even know.
There's a room right here for you guys to change.
I just put my lip gloss on.
Dang, my bad.
I feel like I'm missing something.
What are you missing?
No, all the light is over.
Oh, hell.
Is it taking off your lipstick?
My lipstick off.
If you want to, yeah, it'll pick it up. It's like super dark right here.
We're gonna go over
Is this
there.
how it goes? Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess we're gonna
Just stretch it out before you put it on.
There you go.
I'll be out here when you get ready.
What do you think?
Wait, hold on. No, never mind.
Look dope.
That's what I'm
You
forgetting.
think so?
Yeah, I think it look dope.
Oh. Yeah, so we're just trying to figure it out. So I got this ninja stuff too.
That looks dope. Like seriously. That looks badass. With the whole outfit too. Yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. Go ahead and take some shots.
This is the
brightest? The
no,
shortest?
this is the lowest you can
The
go.
lowest? That's good.
It'll work with Photoshop, so it's all good. Great. What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
What you making, bro?
Carne asada.
Damn.
That's cheap.
I still grab your hand, and I make you come back. You wanna do that one? Yeah, I'll speed up.
He might see you right there because he comes this way.
Oh, shit. Look, right here. Oh, he pans around.
Yeah.
So where should I stand?
Right here.
Okay.
So you can take my spot.
Cool.
Here we go.
Is that gonna come out and leave?
Should I move out the way?
No, you're good.
Okay.
Oh, you left already?
No, I took a spot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No saben ya.
No. Alright, here we go.
Crispy ride. 3-3. Oh, let's go. Gotta get him okay.
Volviendo al momento que te perdí, no valorando lo que hacías tú por mí. Ahora andas sola, dices ahí, tú no eres la misma que yo conocía. Un trago, dos tragos, sigo olvidándome yo de ti. Un trago, dos tragos, dime si no piensas más en mí. Yo diría que tú cambiarías, sí. Un trago, dos tragos, dime si no piensas más en mí. Dime lo que piensas o lo que dices. Dice que no me querías y te contradice. Mi recuerdo tiene tu cuerpo en revise. Te convertiste en lo que nunca quise. Sigo pensando en lo que diría. Las cosas que a veces yo en la noche te pensaría. ¿Quién diría que ya no eres mía? Pero conmigo sigo pensando en ti.
That was dope.
Cierra los ojos y empieza a sentir lo que un día fue. Quiero besarte y hacerte el amor. Una, dos, tres. Un trago, dos tragos.
What you doing, bro?
Setting up lights.
Setting up lights for what, bro?
We can do it for the photos.
Oh yeah, for the music video.
Yeah, man, look at my
I
take.
have one job. Only has one
Bro, let's go, man. You fucked up. It's gonna. You gotta use your teeth, bro.
Wait, you guys are getting paid?
Nice.
This is all, man.
No, it's all good. You got it. All right. Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Welcome, bro. I should appreciate your work, man.
Well, taping's really hard.
I know. Well, no, this is sick.
Actually, looks pretty good.
Yeah,
How's it look on camera?
looks good.
Alright, we're done.
Sweet.
Crispy Rain on the camera, you know. This is Reny Rain. Hablar un poquito de la canción sobre el trago. Esta canción requiere sobre lo que a veces la pérdida de balance en una canción muchas veces. A veces el amor te puede destruir y muchas veces también te puede elevar. Esta canción es sobre una persona que sentimentalmente ha perdido todo. You know, we got Crispy Rain on the back.
Hey,
George.
¿qué onda?
Dime, y GQ right there, tú sabes. Solo J también está ahí bajo la cámara, así que no se lo pierdan. Reny Rain, behind the scenes right there. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. Reny Rain, so Puerto Rico, El Salvador,
Hey.
México, United States, everybody's right there, you know. Saludos para ahí, tú sabes, Reny.
Boom.
Behind the scenes, un trago, así que muchachos, esperen eso. We ready.
Ready.
GQ. Yeah, yeah. Woo.